Thinking about becoming an InDrive driver in Zimbabwe? Well, in this video, I am going to show you how exactly to register, requirements and tips for you to get started. Hello guys, my name is Iloj. I'm back again on your favorite channel. Firstly, I would like to thank you for the previous video. It really performed very well and it shows me that you people, you need to know more about InDrive. So I have to tell you all I know about InDrive in Zimbabwe. I know a lot of people, they are out there in diaspora, they want to come back home and they are looking for the businesses to start when they come home in Zimbabwe, or the side hustles. Let's say you've got your own car, it's good for you, you are going to be the best and you are going to make a living from InDrive. I know some of the people were commenting that it's little money you get on InDrive, but to us, we can earn a living, guys. So to those who have got their cars, they want drivers, I've got a bunch of drivers in my inbox. Please contact me. I'm going to help you with the loyal drivers to your cars. So let's get started into the video. So what you need, the requirements are, if you got a valid driver's license, that's number one, which is needed. It's either a plastic one, it's either a paper one, a blue copy window, it's either a metal one. You know, those kind of three types of driver's license in Zimbabwe. It's either you've got one of them, you are good to go. Then the next thing you need is a car. You need a car which is something like from 2000 and above. 2000 and above, they are going to put that car on InDrive. And also the car must look nice, guys. The car must look nice. You must have pictures of that car, number plate of that car, then also vehicle registration book or vehicle registration license, which is Mutero. You can use, instead of using a book, you can use Mutero for that. If your car have got a valid vehicle license, you are good to go. Then number three is a smartphone. You also need a smartphone, guys, to do all these thing using the application. So if you got a smartphone, then the number four is you need to have your national ID. It's either national ID or a passport that can work. So the last thing you need is WhatsApp number and email address. So yeah, I think if you got that, you can register to become a driver. Without wasting time, guys, I always want to show people how to do it directly. So let's go to Play Store and download the application InDrive, or you already have an application InDrive you used to request rides. That's the same application which we use as drivers, but you have to switch it to driver mode. Then you are going to see the other interface, not that one we used to know as a passenger mode. So let's go to Play Store. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, how to register it. Go to your Play Store or Google App Store. Then you're going to search for InDrive application. InDrive. Then this is InDrive. This is the application. So I need to update it because it's not yet updated mine, but I'm already installed this because I'm using this. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to update it too for us to get all functions. It's installed. Let me click on open. So yeah, this is the driver mode. This is the driver mode. As you can see, this is the interface most of the people uses, like, you know, this is the interface most of the people uses, right? So look at it. These are the cars at that side. Airport road, there's a lot of cars here looking for rides, you know. So if you want to become a driver, you go on these three lines and click on driver mode. Then now when you are a driver, you are not yet a driver, this pop up the what type of car, what registration plate and stuff. So what you need to do, you have to fill all these portions. You have to put your vehicle registration certificate, you have to put car pictures, you have to put your registration plate, you have to put the color of the car and stuff. So you have to fill all the details, then click done. After clicking done, you have to wait for 24 hours for them to review. That's where I was talking about. You have to put your ID, you have to put your car's pictures, you have to put everything I was mentioning in the video. That's where you are going to put them. So mind you, InDrive uses its camera, like they've got on their own camera, so you have to shoot those documents direct and do not upload pictures.
you have in your phone or stuff, you're going to shoot them direct so that they want to know that if you have got an original document. So that's how you do it. Then you click done.
So after applying, you have to wait 24 to 48 hours, if I'm not mistaken, right there. Then you are going to wait for InDrive to review your account. So if you are accepted to become an InDrive driver, you are going to be notified through email, or you can go back to the application. Then you will see that you are now a driver, and your profile picture you put, you are going to see your profile picture, and the rides you are going to see that is written 00 rides. Then you have to set your target and stuff. That's a basic thing you usually do as an individual. Maybe you have a target of $30 per day, you're going to put that and stuff. That's depends on you. If you don't want to put a target, you can cannot put it. So once you've got account, your account is ready and you are ready to accept rides. There is one thing most of the people they left is that the top up. How do InDrive make money from us? So how does InDrive make money? So InDrive make money from us like this. For you to get rides, you have to put money in their account, or you have to top up money, because when you create an account, it's 0000, you don't have money. So what you need a bank card. Or if you don't have a bank card, we know guys, most of the people in Zimbabwe, they've got EcoCash. So you can request a virtual card from Econet. Then they give you the pin, they give you the 3-code number, the secret code, they give you the card number and the card name. That's what required by InDrive. Then you have to put them, then you have to make sure that your EcoCash, you've got money, at least $10. Then when you have got $10 in your EcoCash, then you put something like 8 for the sake of InDrive to process this process without failing, because sometimes it can send you the notification that insufficient fund, but you've got $10. You can't put $10 in your account while it's in your EcoCash. You've got $10, so you have to leave some little money behind so that it will process the transaction. If InDrive, if the process takes 50 cents, the dollar remain in your EcoCash, that's not a problem, guys. I think you have what I'm trying to explain on that. Then when you top up, after topping up, you see the rides will start to ringing, like ding, ding, you're starting getting rides, That's how InDrive works, and you start accepting rides, and you have to calculate, guys, that sometimes the distance may be 30 kilometers, then the ride over is $2. That's not fair. So you have to calculate very fast, and so that the ride will not go, because it's a game of being quick and stuff. This InDrive thing is sort of Uber. You must be quick to reach to the client and quick to deliver the client where he's going. So let's jump to the tips which I'm going to give you for you to become a best driver on InDrive as you start. So number 1 is clean your car. Your car must look sparkling like always. You have to be polite and patient with customers. You have to make sure that you take care of your clients. Don't harass them. You have to talk to them nicely. That's tip number 1. Number 2 is you have to join local WhatsApp groups for drivers. If there is error on somewhere, they can update you. Today, do not go to work. There's something that is happening on you on InDrive. So you are going to know a lot of things. So if there is robbery, they are going to notify you as well in the WhatsApp group. So you have to join local groups. Number 3 is know your fuel. Know your fuel cost. That's the best. You don't have to have fuel cards while you are driving. That's not it, because when you got a fuel card, the client is going to request another InDrive, and he or she is going to go, and you are going to be left behind, and you look like you are not organized. And somehow she can comment to InDrive that this driver is not serious and stuff. Then you are going to be blocked, or you are going to be temporarily terminated on the platform. So you have to make sure that you have got fuel. You get it? So number 4 is work during peak hours. It's either early in the morning, afternoon, in the lunch, in the evening. You have to work. But in Zimbabwe, it's very hard. I don't want to lie. Traffic is something else, but you have to make sure that during, this is a tip I'm giving you, during that time of peak hours and stuff, you have to look for higher rides, like a $20 or a $10 ride which is going far away from the town. Then you have to move out from the town to that destination. Then when you come back to the town, the traffic will be like normal, like, you know, right? So that's the tip. Then another tip is, please, InDrive, you've got its map, then use Google Maps. You have to on your application, you have to activate Google Maps so that when you get a ride, you navigate through Google Maps. And that Google Maps, you should make sure that it's updated. It's 100% updated. We know in Zimbabwe, Google Maps is not 100% correct as other countries, like, but you have to make sure that you check, you zoom while you are driving. You have to do a kind of thing. Yeah, you have to be skillful on your work. Don't be lazy and like you're going straight, then the road is saying turn right, or then there's another way around. Then another one is have a good communication with clients. Masquera saying makadini tinofara makadiwa nasi tichange tese kubva tibva panapa kuenda kwatiri kuenda, mwari atikomborere and stuff. You have to interact with your customers. Don't be rude, or don't be just like pindai varado, all right, let's go walk to driver mode. Be patient with your clients. Remember, a good service to a client, he or she is always remember that one. Anogona kukufonera you are far away. Hello, where are you, Eulogy? I want a ride. Then can I do Dr. Msenga? You know, so that's how you interact with your clients during the work. So don't be rude, drivers, don't be rude. Always don't forget to brush your teeth, don't forget to bath, don't forget to look nice. And your car always look nice. Yeah, that's the tip. Then another one is, there's no another one. Thank you guys. If you find this video helpful to you, please consider subscribe, comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because I am going to give you more and more videos about InDrive. So guys, I really thank you. Thank you so much. You are doing a lot in my life. I don't want to lie. Please continue supporting me. May God bless you. Peace.